Let's solve this trigonometric identity proof step by step. We need to prove that 1 over sine squared a minus 1 over tangent squared a equals 1. Before we begin, let's recall some important trigonometric identities that we'll need. First, cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta. Second, cotangent theta equals 1 over tangent theta. And finally, cosecant squared minus cotangent squared equals 1. Let's begin our proof. We start with the left side of our equation. 1 over sine squared a minus 1 over tangent squared a. Using our first identity, we can rewrite 1 over sine squared a as cosecant squared a. Similarly, using our second identity, we can rewrite 1 over tangent squared a as cotangent squared a. Now comes the key insight. Looking at our third identity, we can see that cosecant squared minus cotangent squared equals 1. Therefore, our expression equals 1, which is exactly what we wanted to prove. To understand this geometrically, let's look at a unit circle. In a unit circle, cosecant is the hypotenuse of a right triangle formed with sine. Cotangent is the adjacent side of this triangle. The relationship between cosecant squared and cotangent squared follows from the Pythagorean theorem, which is why cosecant squared minus cotangent squared equals 1. And that completes our proof. We've shown both algebraically and geometrically why 1 over sine squared a minus 1 over tangent squared a equals 1.